Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change name in Pixlr. So it is associated with your account, but still you can change your name. So let's go ahead, let's tap into the app, and here let's go to the home page that is in the left top corner. And here you can see a profile icon at the right top corner. Let's tap in there. And here you can see hi and your name. Let's tap in there, and it literally says change name. Let's tap in there. It will lead you to this, and it will lead you all the way down. It says name. Let's tap in that pen icon. It's edit, so you can literally write your name. Let's try rows down and update. So as you can see, your name has been changed. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.